Since we're married recently, this is the first time that we're getting to stay with each other for so long, and I think we're really liking it.
The lockdown came into place and we made a decision that we will stay with our families.
So even though we did not want to be apart from each other, we had to.
It feels like an extended honeymoon for us.
And this is not like a choice that we are staying apart. It's something that we have to do. It's sort of like an imposition.
We work in the same organization. That's how we met. Initially, we had fights over different assignments, different projects and everything. When one person used to not come to work, the other person used to feel like, okay, kuch to missing hai. So that's when we realized that we like each other and we should be dating each other. So it's been what? How long?
It's been 2.5 years of dating, and now we are like Mr. and Mrs. On 25th of Jan this year, we finally got married, and it was lots of ups and downs in our relation because it's an inter-religion marriage. She's a Catholic and I am a Hindu.
8 years of relationship, and we finally tied our knot on the 2nd of December 2019. And our relationship has obviously seen a lot of ups and downs, but we have been together in each and every highs and lows of our life.
We have accepted each other wholly, and that's what is the best part in our relationship. So we decided to get married, and it's been good, but we aren't staying together during quarantine.
So we came to know about coronavirus from one of our friends just before we were flying for a honeymoon on 27th of Jan.
The first time I heard about the COVID-19 was in the last week of January.
I first came to know about COVID-19 after we came back from our honeymoon, January, mid-February.
Initially, I don't think उतना कुछ पैनिक किक इन हुआ था क्योंकि इंडिया में अभी तक ये आया नहीं था.
When we reached Mumbai airport, it didn't look like anybody knew about the virus at all. But then we had a connecting flight from Bangkok, and the moment we reached Bangkok, the first thing we see is each and everybody on the airport had masks on. And the first thing Ashutosh told me is, let's go to the medical and get a mask, because it was frightening to see everybody around us wear masks. Right from there on till the end of the trip, we both wore masks everywhere that we went.
The lockdown was a bit of a shock to me. I knew that Maharashtra state would put restrictions on the movement of people, but the lockdown was a complete shocker and a good thing.
जब भी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने लॉकडाउन इश्यू किया,
अभी के हालात को देखते हुए देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा.
उसके 3 या 4 दिन पहले से ही मैं सेल्फ क्वारंटीन में चला गया था.
We've been quarantined from 23rd March.
It feels like an extended honeymoon for us.
We remember getting up at 6 and 7 in the morning and running for trains, going to work and stuff, and then coming back ghai mein. But this feels relaxed because we know that you have to get up just 5 minutes before the actual work time.
My normal day routine usually begins with waking next to Adit. Then we spend some time together. Then I go to work, he goes to work.
I used to come back home, spend some time with Sneha, my family, meet some friends, occasional outings होता था.
The quarantine life has been completely different. My entire sleep schedule is messed up.
एक constant दिमाग में डर बैठा रहता है कि if we go out, घर पे आके take a bath. Normal life में we do not used to even think about all these things.
Feels like the entire 21 day is like in a loop. There is nothing happening.
When we used to work in office, we used to order food from outside, from restaurants and all. There are restaurants which are giving a home delivery service, but to be on a safer side, we don't order food from outside. We both try to cook.
And I'm really sure after the lockdown is over, both of us are going to master the art of cooking.
We decided on being with our parents during the quarantine. We had to prioritize them. We need to support our families. We are the ones in the healthier, more active stage of our lives.
Since we're married recently, this is the first time that we're getting to stay with each other for so long, and I think we're really liking it.
Oh yes, of course, it is affecting us in a lot of ways.
It's giving us a taste of a long distance relationship we did not at all sign up for.
In the terms of business, it is completely shut down, so there's no financial income whatsoever.
If there is anything that we need, like which is really necessary or essential for our day-to-day, either of us go down, obviously wearing masks and covering ourselves entirely.
So to keep myself busy throughout the day, I'm editing our Shadi ka video.
I surely know a lot more about cooking now. Help my mom in her household chores. Then there's these really cool online family WhatsApp group games.
It definitely feels really bad, particularly at the end of the day when I'm going to sleep. I miss him a lot. Like that's the time I'm just like, yaar Aadit kahan hai?
Video calls is the easiest way to get connected to each other, and I feel that we miss each other a lot. So through video calls we can see each other as well.
We take help in cooking through video call. We are only connected with my family and friends, with our family and friends only through a channel of call. For the first thing after the lockdown, I'll be going to my mother's place.
I'm going to squash her in my arms and give her a huge hug and a kiss.
I will be going to a beach at sunset and having golgappas with my golgappa.
I'll pounce on him. Like I'll literally like just pounce on him. I'll hug him like real tightly, like he'll be squashed. Shower him with a lot of kisses. Then I'll eat a big slice of pizza, not share a single piece with him. This is going to be it. Like this is going to happen. I'm so excited for this.
Even though we did not want to be apart from each other, we had to.
I also feel that people in India are very unaware of how serious this is.
ये देखिए, ये है मेरा रूम, ये किचन है।
हमने कोई सेफ फील नहीं कर रहा है आप लोगों के साथ, कुछ भी नहीं।